If you haven't seen a Stretchy Preflat before, let's learn how to use one. For today's demo, let's use the LKC and Me Preflats. These are relatively new in the store, and they are made of bamboo and cotton, but they have a two-way stretch. Why would you want to choose a Preflat? It's a very thin and trim option that's customizable for how much absorbency that you add. And it's one size, meaning that it will fit from about 8 to 40 pounds depending on how you fold it. Here's how it works. It is a relatively thin piece of fabric, but it is 2 layers, so when you fold it like this, you get 6 layers in the wet zone. Now, if you have a baby that needs more absorbency, all you do is add something else in the wet zone. So this is the LKC and Me curved bamboo insert. It has 5 layers of bamboo, but you can also pad fold a flat or a pre-fold, or you can put a flannel receiving blanket or a flour sack towel or any other piece of absorbency that you want in the wet zone. Preflats can be secured with diaper pins, with snappies, or just by folding. If your baby is smaller, you can fold down the top like this to adjust the rise. Then you might want to adjust the back as well. You can do that by folding down the back, just like this. And you can secure that Preflat by folding and tucking, or by using diaper pins, or by using a snappy like this. Now, a Preflat in itself is not waterproof, so you need to put a cover on top. You can use any cover on top of a Preflat, and you're good to go.